Okay, let's be real. Are you tired of hunting for that perfect radiant glow? Maybe you've spent a small fortune on creams and serums that promise the moon but don't quite deliver. What if I told you the biggest secret to luminous skin isn't in some fancy, expensive bottle, but right there in your local supermarket, hiding in a humble tea bag? Seriously, you probably walk past these power-packed gems every day, totally unaware of their incredible ability to transform your skin from the inside out. Get ready, because this might just blow your mind. So forget those super complicated routines and hard-to-find ingredients for a minute. We're about to spill the tea on 5 genuinely amazing herbal teas that are basically your secret weapons for getting that lit from within glow you've always wanted. And the best part? These aren't rare, pricey potions. They're easy to find, everyday staples you can grab on your next grocery run. You won't believe how these common companions can take your skin to a whole new level of radiance. First up is green tea. You've probably heard it's good for you. A healthy swap for coffee, right? But the surprising thing is its powerful ability to rejuvenate your skin. Green tea is absolutely packed with polyphenols, especially EGCG. These potent antioxidants go to war against free radicals. By neutralizing these free radicals, green tea helps shield your skin from environmental gunk. Studies suggest the compounds in green tea can seriously reduce inflammation. Next, let's explore rooibos tea. This caffeine-free brew is a goldmine of rare antioxidants and skin-loving minerals. Rooibos stands out because it's rich in antioxidants, including aspalathin. These compounds are fantastic at protecting your skin cells. Rooibos is full of minerals like zinc and AHAs. Rooibos helps your body get rid of dull, dead skin cells and reveal fresher skin underneath. Our third surprising skin savior is chamomile tea. Chamomile is famous for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. If you have sensitive skin, chamomile can be your skin's best pal, helping to bring a sense of peace. One of the surprising benefits is its ability to speed up cell and tissue renewal, which leads to smoother skin texture. Get ready to be wowed by hibiscus tea. This gorgeous crimson drink is packed with vitamin C, which is crucial for making collagen. Hibiscus tea helps kickstart your body's collagen-making process and also contains AHAs. These natural acids help speed up cell turnover, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Our final tea is peppermint or spearmint tea. Their surprising power is their ability to help with problem skin, especially hormonal acne. Spearmint tea might help reduce the levels of hormones that can trigger breakouts. Mint teas are rich in menthol, which has anti-inflammatory properties, calming skin, and fighting bacteria. So there you have it, 5 truly surprising yet incredibly simple herbal teas, all easy to find in your local supermarket. That can help you get your most radiant, glowing skin ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.